Today I'm unboxing Clad D3 stainless 6-quart Deep Sauté Pan with lid. Just came today, so let's see how this looks. Ooh. Okay, it's quite heavy and very big. Here goes the pan, and this is the lid. So here we go. Okay, so we have the instruction manual, and we have to register the product to activate the lifetime warranty. So you need that. So this is how it looks. So this is made in US. This is 6-quart by Clad. The product number is 169201204, and this is the lid to go with the pan. Oops, there you go. This is it. I'm gonna measure that to, it is around 11.5 inches in the diameter. We have around 4 inches at height. So this is part of Clad's D3 stainless 3-ply cookware, which features a thick gauge aluminum core that's sandwiched between 2 layers of stainless steel. The aluminum core attracts fast heat, and the stainless steel ensures that the proper heat is distributed evenly, and it gives the consistent results across the entire surface of the cookware all the way up to the rim. I think this would be a powerhouse in my kitchen with so many versatile functions, which it should be able to perform with ease considering this is Clad. I think this can go from deep frying, sautéing veggies, braising meats, cooking pasta, making stews, soups, or any such one-pot, one-shot dishes which might also need some finishing in the oven. We can also prepare the perfect pan sauce to go with the meats as well. I think this would be a great size pot for my small family, as well as it might also be very useful for a family get-together or friends coming for dinner. I think the depth especially of this pan would help in reducing spillage, and it would render a mess-free stove, leading to easier cleanups and less sweat. So there you go. So here you have the pretty pot sitting on my stove. Of course there's nothing in it, but I am excited to put something in it and cook.